Have you ever wondered how sperm and egg cells are formed? This process is called meiosis, and it's very different from mitosis. Meiosis is a type of cell division that produces four genetically different daughter cells, known as gametes. Meiosis is essential for sexual reproduction and creates genetic variation, which is important for evolution. In meiosis 1, homologous chromosomes pair up and then separate, reducing the chromosome number by half. Meiosis 2 is similar to mitosis, where sister chromatids separate to form four cells. One major difference is that mitosis produces two identical cells, while meiosis produces four genetically different cells. In mitosis, the chromosome number remains the same, but in meiosis, it is reduced by half. Meiosis introduces genetic variation through processes like crossing over, while mitosis does not. To summarize, meiosis produces gametes, reduces chromosome number, and creates genetic variation.
If you want to master biology easily, subscribe to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology. In the next video, we'll explore the structure of DNA. Also, don't miss our NEET Biology 30 days to rank from 0 to NEET rank in 30 days.